How to Make Money Self-Publishing on Amazon, a comprehensive guide. How to publish a book on Amazon Kindle Publishing. With the release of AI technology to the public, many people wonder how to make money self-publishing a book on Amazon. Is it possible? Can it be done? The answer is a simple yes. In the digital age, publishing a book has become more accessible than ever before, thanks to custom writing GPTs. These AI assistants, combined with a platform like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, make generating an income online possible if done correctly. This democratization of publishing has opened up new avenues for authors, content creators, and entrepreneurs alike to share their work with the world and, importantly, to make money from it. This guide navigates aspiring authors, self-publishers, and independents through Amazon's publishing intricacies. It's aimed at enhancing earnings and unlocking significant income potential. How to make money self-publishing on Amazon's publishing platforms. Beginner's Guide to Amazon KDP 2024 edition. How to self-publish fiction. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, stands as a beacon for those wishing to publish ebooks and paperbacks. This platform is not just a publishing avenue, but a launching pad for new authors to reach readers worldwide, without the need for traditional publishing gatekeepers. And if you need assistance, Anne Eckhart has written a fabulous guide to help. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing Select program offers promotional opportunities and enrollment in Kindle Unlimited, which is essential to making money on Amazon. Amazon's Kindle Unlimited is where authors earn money based on pages read, not books sold. And let's be honest, I'm here to make money, and so are you, right? Well, it's important what books you publish and who you will be marketing your book to. Let me explain. Crafting your book for success. Competition and visibility, your biggest enemies. If you watched a video on how easy it is to publish on Amazon and make money, consider how many others watched the same tutorial. If it seems effortless to you, it's equally effortless for everyone else. This accessibility has led to an incredibly crowded marketplace, with millions of books vying for attention. And without a proactive strategy, even the most compelling book can get lost in the shuffle. Relying solely on organic discovery is not sufficient to stand out from the vast competition. Competing against major best-selling authors and the countless aspiring writers can drown a book in obscurity before it even hits the publish button. Leveraging Amazon's marketing tools. All right, let's dive into the juicy stuff. Leveraging Amazon's marketing tools to make some serious cash. Amazon isn't just a platform for selling books. It's a powerhouse of marketing tools waiting to be unleashed. One of the golden nuggets in Amazon's arsenal is the free book promotion feature. Imagine this. You've poured your heart and soul into writing your book, and now it's time to get it out there and start making some money. Amazon's free book promotion tool is your best friend in this journey. Here's why. Amazon Free Book Promotion. By offering your book for free for a limited time, you can attract a swarm of readers eager to devour your work. Admittedly, giving away what you believe is a masterpiece in writing for free might seem counterintuitive, but trust me, the potential payoff can be massive. Consider this. You're not just giving away a book, you're generating buzz, attracting an audience, and setting the stage for future sales. Plus, with Amazon's massive reach, your free book can quickly climb the charts and attract even more attention. But here's where the real magic happens with Amazon's Kindle Unlimited program. Subscribers read your book for free. You earn for every page viewed. Each page read means earnings for you. You're making money. It's like getting paid to share your story with the world. If you're serious about earning on Amazon, here's the key. Publish your book on Kindle Free Book Promotion and Kindle Unlimited for the ultimate power move. Trust me, you won't regret it. Join Amazon's book clubs. Unleash the power of community. When it comes to maximizing your book's visibility and earning potential on Amazon, joining book clubs can be a game changer. Moreover, the real advantage comes into play knowing these benefits are exclusive to Amazon Kindle Unlimited members. Here's how it works. By becoming an Amazon Kindle Unlimited member, you unlock perks such as joining exclusive book clubs. Specifically, here are 3 key benefits exclusive to Kindle Unlimited members. 3 key benefits. Exclusive to Kindle Unlimited members. Expands your reach. Kindle Unlimited members tap into a vast network of readers actively seeking new titles to explore. Joining these communities exposes your book to a wider audience, increasing its chances of discovery and readership. Receive verified review. Let's talk about verified reviews. In order for your book to receive an actual verified product review, the reviewer must purchase the book first. This ensures that the review comes from a genuine reader who has invested in your work. With Amazon Kindle Unlimited, authors tap into a vast network of avid readers, enabling verified reviews from fellow members. Access private book clubs. With an Amazon Kindle Unlimited membership, you can join private book clubs like the Reader's Roundtable. This exclusive group leverages Amazon Kindle Unlimited, offering members access to a curated selection of books for free. Here's the best part and where you'll find the hidden gold. By posting your book on Amazon Kindle Unlimited, even for free, you're not sacrificing earnings. In fact, this strategy can open up new revenue streams. You might wonder, how can posting my book on Amazon Kindle Unlimited for free make me money? The answer is simple, yet often overlooked. You don't get paid for selling the book. You get paid for every page a member of Amazon Kindle reads. That's right, Amazon compensates authors based on the number of pages read by Kindle Unlimited subscribers. The more readers dive into your book and engage with its content, the more money you earn. It's a win-win situation. Readers get access to a treasure trove of books, and authors get rewarded for captivating their audience. By leveraging the power of Amazon's book clubs, private discords like the Reader's Roundtable, and Kindle Unlimited, you can unlock new avenues for revenue generation and propel your bank accounts to greater heights. Ready to join the club and start earning? Conclusion? In today's digital world, AI is crucial for creators to quickly publish on Amazon and earn immediately. One of the most groundbreaking tools in this domain is the Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard, a sophisticated AI platform designed to streamline the ebook creation process. With the Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard, authors can generate high-quality content quickly, efficiently, and tailored to any niche or audience. This remarkable ability to produce ready-to-publish material in record time opens up unprecedented opportunities for making money online through Amazon Kindle publishing. The journey doesn't end with content creation. Indeed, the real magic happens when you share your work with a dedicated community. Additionally, leveraging a private community of Amazon Kindle Unlimited members enables authors to quickly connect with an eager audience. This community boosts engagement, visibility, and earnings through page reads. Follow these steps, and how to make money self-publishing on Amazon will be easy peasy. If you're an aspiring author, you can join Amazon Kindle Unlimited and start making money today. The link is in the description for my book, Writing a Book with ChatGPT, that takes you step by step from writing your book, promoting it on Amazon with free book promotions, and start making money.